Before we start playing with the planner, we need to install the fonts. Now, the first thing you need to do is install an app called Any Font. This is a free app that you can find in the App Store. Once you have installed the app, go back to the planner, and we're going to click on each name of the font. We're going to start with Meadowline and open the link. Now, the reason why I have to share the link and I'm not able to share the font directly is due to licensing terms. I'm able to use the font on my projects, but I'm not able to directly share them with you. So this is the legal and the safe way to do it, pretty much. And so what we're going to do on the first one is you might have to sign in. And it's fine because this website offers a lot of free fonts and a lot of illustrations that we're going to eventually use on our planner. Once you're signed in, click download free now, save, in files, open in, and open in downloads. It will open this window. Select the zip file, the folder. Now you will get two styles of fonts. You will get a TTF and an OTF. The main difference is that TTF is compatible with Apple products, which is pretty much the iPad. OTF is more for Adobe and Microsoft products. So we're going to choose the TTF. And this one, you can click the arrow pointing upwards and you can select any font. Now, at the moment of me making this video, there is this glitch that the font doesn't show. So what we're going to do is select the plus, iCloud Drive, and the font will be right there, TTF. There's one. Once you have downloaded this font, we're going to click on it, install, allow, and now we're going to the settings on your iPad. Up here, you will see that it says profile downloaded. Click on it. Install. You're going to put your passcode. Next. Install and install. We're going to repeat the same steps for the other fonts. So we're going to the planner. Palmeshka. The link. This one you also have to sign in, but again, they have several free stuff, including fonts and graphics, which I highly suggest you explore. I'm gonna click save, files, open in downloads. Give it a couple of seconds, sorry. We're gonna get Palmage. Now again, I think it might give me that glitch. Oh, no, this one imported. Great. Gonna do the same for the other ones. Revise. This one you do not need to sign in. Just scroll down, click free download, and we're gonna repeat the same steps to save them on our iPad. Open in downloads. Give it a couple of seconds. Perfect. And let's go to the next one. Perfect. Oops. I'm clicking too fast. Click dismiss and select the font. Perfect, and I just have one more. The ones that have the little check mark means that they have been installed on your iPad. So I previously said I had this one and this one, the one that we installed and the one that I had previously had installed on my iPad, and then this third one. Now we're going to the Any Font app, and we're going to finish installing the other fonts. Click on it, select Install, Allow, go to your settings. It will be right here. Next, install. Perfect. Now the Verbally font, this one right here, this one I bought it many years ago, and I was not able to find it, the original creator of it, or the link for the original font. I believe like the creator, I'm sorry, deleted it. So that's the only one I'm able to share directly with you. So we're going back into the Files app. Gonna close this. I save the planner, all my stuff that I download on my iPad, in the downloads section. So this is where I downloaded the virtual bundle. Go to the digital planner, the section that says fonts, click on it, and we're going to follow the same steps as the other ones. Perfect. These are all the fonts that the planner needs. We're going back to the planner, and as you see, the titles and the links have changed to the beautiful font that you initially saw. Let me go to this one, and you can do the same thing for any other fonts that you might want to install. Font bundles, it's great. They offer some great fonts. Most of them are paid, but they offer some really amazing bundles. Like this one, some of them are $13. I do say sign up for the newsletter, and they usually always offer really quick sales, or check out their free section. There's that one. The other one that you sign in was the Hungry JPEG, and they have other free stuff as graphics. I have used them mostly for their fonts. I guess this one needs to be updated. They have great $1 deals for graphics, sometimes fonts. Really affordable, and you always know where you can go back and download the things if you ever accidentally have to reset your computer or need to start fresh. Yes, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do leave me a comment in the blog post or send me an email. All my information that you need will be on the first page, and I hope you enjoyed this short quick tutorial. Thank you.